This property is a three-bedroom villa in perfect conditions with land, vineyards, olive trees and panoramic view, situated in the pretty little town of Poggiofiorito. The house has been recently restored and is accessed by a gate which opens into a paved road. The house stands on 3 floors and measures approximately 300 square meters. The property has 2 entrances on the ground floor, and the main entrance opens into an hallway. On this floor we find a beautiful large kitchen, fully furnished with new appliances and a fireplace in perfect working condition. Next to the kitchen, we find a bright living room facing the garden. And then a full bathroom with shower facilities. To complete the floor, there is a dining room that can be used as an additional bedroom. A comfortable and bright staircase takes us to the first floor, where we find a large corridor accessing the terrace with a stunning view on the Maiella mountain and the surrounding hills. Then we find the master bedroom facing the same terrace. A double bedroom with a window. And the third bedroom, currently used as an office space. On the same floor, there is also a large bathroom with shower facilities. Next to the bathroom, we find a large walk-in wardrobe with its own window. The house also avails of an attic floors in raw state, currently used as a storage space. The house is in perfect conditions, ready to live in, has a central heating system, double glazed windows, mosquito nets, new gas boiler and air conditioning, and it's for sale for €210,000.